part of the learning experience, there was some vocabulary activities, right? Can you remember what the 6 words were that you had to learn? What were the 6 words or 6 phrases? Just call them out if you can remember them.
Stage fright.
Don't know what we're talking, just call out to me. Yeah, irrational. Good, Mariko. So irrational was one of them. Stage fright was the second one. Epiphany. It wasn't there, but it was a good word though. It wasn't on the list, but it's a good word. Yeah.
Happy trigger. Trigger happy.
It's in there, but it wasn't one of the 6 words or 6 expressions.
Issue.
Issues. Yeah, issues. Dealing with his issues. Yeah.
Was it not also ease?
Ease. Yeah, to ease something. Yeah. What does that mean? To ease.
That it's, after that you can work better with it, so
Yeah.
it's more easy.
Yeah, exactly. It eases the pain, so to speak. The more you do something, that it eases the pain. And you said it irrational, Mariko. What does irrational mean?
It's not based on reason.
Yeah, exactly. It's not based. Yeah, exactly. It's not based on reason. There's no reason for it. It just is. You know, why are we scared of spiders? There's no reason to be. We're bigger than them, right? Good. What other words did we have? We've had irrational, ease, stage fright, issue. 2 more. That kind of feeling of like,
Level.
not level, of, at the moment you're feeling quite comfortable, right? What would be the opposite?
Uncomfortable.
Uncomfortable, yeah, but it was uncomfortable. Discomfort, yeah, it's that idea of discomfort. And what does discomfort mean, do we think? Yinho?
You cannot feel comfortable.
Yeah, basically it's similar to uncomfortable, but discomfort is a noun, not an adjective. And one more, the last one, is a phrasal verb. Get past, yeah, good, Mariko. So what did get past mean?
Overcome something.
Yeah, to overcome something, exactly. So you can get past your fears. Okay, good. So let's just do a quick practice of that vocabulary. So we've got here a short extract or a short summary of the talk. So what I'd like you to do is to put the words that you learned into the correct space in the activity, okay? So the 6 words are there. Can you put them in the correct place? If you can do this by yourself, first of all, but as soon as you've finished, start comparing with the person next to you, okay? It should be quite easy, because you did your homework well. Like I say, as soon as you're ready, just compare with people next to you. See if you agree. Okay, let's get some feedback. Anina, can you read the first couple of sentences for me?
Joe is a writer and performer of folk songs. He had one issue, however.
Okay, do we agree with that issue?
Yeah.
Yeah? Check it. Yeah, very good. Okay, do you want to choose someone, Anina, to read the next sentence?
Abdulaziz.
Abdulaziz, next sentence. So he
suffered from irrational fear of being in front of a crowd of people.
Perfect. Do we agree with that? Yeah, irrational. Just pronunciation there, Abdulaziz. Where's the stress? Irrational.
Irrational.
Yeah, irrational.
Yeah.
So again, irrational.
Irrational.
Perfect. Good stuff. Choose somebody.
Anina?
Well, Nina's just done one. Someone else.
Okay. Marco.
Marco, next sentence.
This fear is known as a stage fright when he...
Oh, hang on. Do we agree with
Yeah.
that? Yeah. Perfect. Yeah, nice easy one. Okay, just be careful. It's not a stage fright. Just stage fright. Yeah, good. Okay. Choose someone else, Marco.
Luca?
Luca?
When he was on stage, just heart rate increased. his mouth got dry and he felt discomfort.
Perfect, yeah, he felt discomfort. Do somebody, Marky? Oh, sorry, Luca.
Stefan?
Stefan?
Joe really wanted to sing his songs for people, so it was important for him to get past his fear.
You will agree with that?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, and the last one, choose somebody. Stefan? They get the easy one.
Sarah.
Joe wrote a song that he performs at the start of his show to ease his fears when he's on stage.
Perfect, to ease his fears on stage. Perfect, really good. Okay, so what I would like us to do now, just to help us make this vocabulary more memorable, is try to personalize it. So there are 6 words here. I would like you to choose 3 of them. So three of the words or 3 of the phrases, and write a sentence about yourself using them, or somebody you know. So for example, an example might be, when I was at school, I suffered from really bad stage fright, for example. Or I have an irrational fear of spiders. Okay, just choose any 3 words you like, doesn't matter, from the board, and then we're going to sort of share some of them afterwards, okay? So I'm going to give you 3 or 4 minutes. How many sentences?
3.
Perfect. Off you go. It's generic, isn't it? So we don't need a definite article. It's generally true. It's just any class. So it's just in class. Let's just go round and we'll have 1 sentence from everybody. Doesn't have to be your first one, it could be your second one, it could be your third one. Entirely up to you. Let's start with Alicia.
When I started competing, I used to suffer from stage fear.
Stage fright.
Stage fright.
That's fine, that's good. That's fine. Stage fear, fine. Stage fright. Okay, choose somebody for me, Alicia. Can you choose someone?
I feel discomfort in a crowd.
Perfect, yeah, absolutely true. I feel discomfort in big crowds. I can't go to festivals because I'd feel too many people. Good. Choose somebody.
Can I say?
Yeah.
I had an irrational fear of raising my hand in class.
Yeah, too shy to raise your hand. Again, just pronunciation, irrational.
Irrational.
So that stresses on that rat, irrational. Good. Choose someone for me, Hyunho.
Mariko.
Okay. When my sister broke her finger, she felt discomfort terribly.
Perfect, yeah. Absolutely. When you break something, you feel great discomfort. Yeah, really good. Choose someone, Mariko.
I have to do a lot of presentations, so it's important for me to get past the stage fright.
Brilliant. Nice combination of the words. Okay, perfect. Really good. Okay.
You know, yeah.
Good use. So hopefully those words will now stick in your brain.